Here, you will see the COVID-19 risk assessment on the CareFor Carer app. To fill in the form, you will have to check into the call and then check out again. The form will then appear once you've checked out of the call. You will then be able to fill out all details, and once you have completed the form, press Submit. Once it has been submitted, press the refresh button at the top right-hand side of the app. After you have pressed the refresh button, you should see the COVID-19 badge underneath the service user name. This means that a COVID-19 risk assessment has been filled in. If you want to view that risk assessment, you have to click on the next assignment and then View Care Plans, and then select the COVID-19 risk assessment. Here you will see coronavirus risks and underneath the required PPE. Selecting each of them will provide all information needed to safely provide care on that visit.